Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Aiman Taufik and I will introduce the group members for the assignment 1 accounting information system. The first member is myself, Aiman Taufik. The second member is Amin Ashraf. The third member is Fernando Raymond. The fourth member is Aiman Hakim. And the last member is Muhammad Hakimi. Now, I will let Fernando Raymond to proceed the presentation for introduction.
Hello, my name is Fernando Raymond, number metric 295338. First of all, I will tell about the background of the company. So, the Prima Kasih company, which is based on an outlet pharmacy, was established at the end of 2022 and is located at University Utara Malaysia, UM Kedah. The owner of this company is Haji Muhammad Ridwan bin Othman. This company consists of 4 shareholders and Prima Kasih company is one of the shareholders, while others are running medical clinics and the other 2 are in investment and management. In terms of organizational structure, this company has 2 directors and 4 departments, namely the operation departments, accounting departments, human resource departments, and management department. At the beginning of 2023, the Prima Kasih company made renovations and completed it together with other matters involving outlets for community pharmacy in June and began operations in October when students had started returning to university. This company will always deliver and channel all the things planned, such as from the point of service, information, marketing, and engagement with all parties for the improvement of a healthy lifestyle among students and employees at UM, which will be implemented according to certain phases. And now is the phase of introducing Prima Kasih company to all UM students. And the marketing department is responsible for holding programs involving the pharmacy and also the community at UM in order to achieve the company's goal of wanting to be part of the citizens at UM. This company will also constantly make improvements to ensure the health of UM resident is guaranteed, in addition to the University Health Center, which is we call PKU, which has the role of shouldering the responsibility.
Hello, my name is Aiman Taufik, metric number 295104, and I will continue for the context diagram. For the context diagram, the attendance time record will be get from the employee each time they punch card at work. Then the employee attendance time record will be sent to the payroll process in order to assist the payroll process to proceed identify certain amount of wages need to be allocated to each and every worker. So, in the end of the process, the payroll process will then send or do the disbursement of paycheck to its employee.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Hakim Bijari, number metric 295635. I will now be explaining about the physical data flow diagram. First of all, the attendance time record will be collected and recorded in the POS system. After that, time record will be sent to the account department, which is payroll, and the clerk in order to proceed with the key in data time record employee in the computer. From here, the computer will display the data on its screen, and then the account department, which is payroll, and its clerk will edit and also re-enter the data entry from the time record key in just now to make sure that every data is recorded correctly in the computer. The data file is then sorted, and after that, it will be used to update the employee payroll master file, in which in this case, it will update the old employee payroll master file with the new one. Plus, when this happens, the new sorted data information will also be stored under payroll transaction file. Back to the employee master payroll file, after it has been updated with the new data information file, it will be sent back to the computer in order to generate paycheck and payslip register of employee. Then, the generated paycheck and payslip on the computer will be taken by the payroll clerk so that the payroll can proceed with the distribution of paycheck and payslip to its employee. The payroll generated in the computer will then be reviewed and filed by the controller. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Aiman Hakim bin Samsudin and my metric number is 295 and 359. So I will continue logical DFD. Actually, this logical DFD is identical with the physical DFD, but it will give more detail about the process. For instance, when attendance time record is taken, it is recorded by the POS system for the purpose of recording data. Then, the attendance time record that have to be recorded will be sent to account department or payroll in order to key in the data in the computer. The data will then be displayed on the computer screen. When recording the data in the computer, the data will be analyzed and be edited if there is any correction that needs to be done. This is to make sure the computer system will get the right data of employee attendance time record. The time record data just now is then sorted, and then data will be used to update the employee payroll master file. And at the same time, the time record data will also be stored under the stored payroll data. After the employee payroll master file has been updated, it will then be sent back to the computer system in order to use the data to generate paycheck and payslip of employee. After the paycheck and payslip is generated, it is then sent to the payroll clerk in order to proceed with the arrangement of the disbursement of the paycheck and payslip of employee on the paycheck day. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm in here. Today I'm going to talk about my part, which is document or system flowchart from start to end. So here we go. Starting from the POS system or POS system, when employee punch card at their workplace, their attendance data will be recorded in the time record. After that, the time record will be sent to the payroll department. When the time record is sent to the payroll department, first and foremost, it will be sent to the terminal input in order to enter time record and do correction if there is any. After that, the time record is also edited in the computer process. At the same time, the payroll transaction file is also sent to the computer process in order to be edited also. After the data from the time record and also from the payroll transaction file had been edited, it will be displayed on the computer screen in order to see if there is data is already right or correct or not. After it had been displayed, the data is then sent to the time record document to be recorded. And finally, it is then stored in the file store of time record to be stored for future purposes. Back to the payroll transaction file just now. It is sent to the sorted transaction file in order to sort the data file based on employee number. And after the data had been sorted, the data is immediately updated, and this happened by updating the payroll master file. So when the new payroll master file has been updated, the old one or the new old payroll master file is retrieved back for the purpose of updating the information in it with the newest information about the payroll data of employee. After you update the employee master file into new payroll master file, the new data from it will be sent back to the computer in order to process it into paycheck hard copy and also payroll register hard copy document. The paycheck document will be distributed to the employee along with the earning statement, which are employee's payslip. On the other hand, the payroll register document will be sent to the next entity department, which is controller. Controller will then review the payroll register and make a hard copy document of the payroll register and also store the payroll data in the payroll data store for future reference. That's all from me for document system flowchart. Thank you.
So that is all for the presentation of assignment 1 for Prima Kasih Pharmacy. Thank you very much for listening attentively to our presentation. Thank you.